Namaste to all. Last class you have learned about cell biology. What is cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living things. Then unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism it is present in single cell, example amoeba. Multicellular organisms, example human being, it is present in many cells. Next one, the cells developed into tissues, tissues developed into organs, organs developed into organ system developed into organisms. Today, now let us study about plant cell and animal cell. But what are the difference between plant cell and animal cell? In contrast, animal cell having many small vacuoles. This is a vacuole. See the picture part. What are the difference between plant cell and animal cell? In contrast, animal cell having many small vacuoles. Animal cell simply have a cell wall. Plant cell having cell wall and animal cell simply have a cell membrane and no cell wall. Are you clear, ma'am? Do you understand difference between plant cell and animal cell? The plant cell contain a large vacuole. A plant cell contain a large vacuole that is used for storage and maintaining the shape of the cell. Are you clear? The plant cell contains a large vacuole that is used for storage and maintaining and shape of the cell. The plant cells have a cell wall. Are you clear? The plant cell have a cell wall as well as a cell membrane. The cell wall, the outermost. See the picture, plant cell. Cell wall, the outermost covering of the plant cell, it maintain the shape of the cell and protect the cell. Are you clear? Cell wall. Then next one, plant cell contain chloroplast. Chloroplast is a organelle. Chloroplast is a organelle characterized by its two membrane and a high concentration of chloroplast and carry out photosynthesis. Are you clear, pa? And carry out the photosynthesis. Then large vacuole. Large vacuole, what is the uses of a large vacuole? Storage and maintaining the shape of the cell. Then centriole. Plant cell. Plant cell is a center is present, nucleus and nucleolus, like that. Animal cell and also nucleus and nucleolus. Are you clear, pa? Both the plant cell and animal cell having nucleus and nucleolus. It is present endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is two type of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The next one, rough. It is present in above the endoplasmic reticulum is present ribosomes. That is called a rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. What are the uses of rough endoplasmic reticulum? Associated with ribosomes make secretory cell membrane and proteins. Are you clear, ma? What is the uses of RER? RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. SER means what? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What are the uses of rough endoplasmic reticulum? Associated with ribosomes make secretory and membrane proteins. The next one, mitochondria. This is a mitochondria. Both cell, animal cell and plant cell is present, mitochondria. Both the cell, animal cell and plant cell is present, mitochondria. What is the uses of mitochondria? Produce energy. Mitochondria uses produce energy. Do you understand, ma? Both the cell is present, mitochondria. What is the uses of mitochondria? Mitochondria produce energy. Next one, centrioles. Centriole, animal cell having centriole. Then Golgi apparatus. This is a Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. What is the uses of Golgi apparatus? Protein modifiers. What is the uses of Golgi apparatus? Protein modifiers. Next one, ribosomes. This is a ribosome. This is a ribosome. What is the uses of ribosomes? Digested food. Ribosome uses enna sollalam? Digested food. What is the uses of ribosomes? Digested food. Are you clear, ma'am? Next one, lysosome. This is a lysosome. Lysosome is also called as suicidal bags. Suicidal bags. When cell get damaged, lysosome may burst under the enzymes. Burst under the enzymes digested their own cell. Are you clear? Suicidal bags, lysosomes நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? தற்கொலை பைகள் அப்படினு. Why are called lysosomes? Suicidal bag. Suicidal bags நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம்? When cell gets damaged, lysosome may burst under the enzymes digest their own cell. It is known as suicidal bag. Suicidal bag அப்படினா என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? நம்ம தற்கொலை பைகள் அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். புரியுதாப்பா? What are the difference between animal cell and plant cell? What are the difference between animal cell and plant cell? Animal cell having cell membrane, no cell wall, and the plant cell having cell wall and chloroplast. Chloroplast, what is the use of chloroplast? Chloroplast uses enna நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்? Useful carried out the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, chloroplast. All the plants having chloroplast. Chloroplast na மட்டும் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Prepare their own food. Next one, the cell contains, both the cell contains cytoplasm. Are you clear, ma? Both the cell contain cytoplasm. Cytoplasm எங்க இருக்கும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா includes all living part of cell within the cell membrane but excluding the nucleus. Are you clear? Cytoplasm. Animal cell and plant cell share common components. ரெண்டுக்கு என்ன common components இருக்கு? Animal cell and plant cell share the common components of a nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria and a cell membrane. The plant cells have extra components. What are the extra components? Vacuole, chloroplast and cell wall. Then various types of cells. What are the various types of cells? Skin cell, muscle cell. What are the various types of cells? Skin cell, muscle cells, blood cells, muscle cells. Third one, blood cells. Fourth one, nerve cells. Fifth one, fat cells. Do you understand, ma'am? Various types of animal cells: skin cells, muscle cells, blood cells, nerve cells, and fat cells. Where is found skin cells? Skin cells, they cover surface of the body for production. That is epithelial cells. The epithelial cells are mostly flat and columnar in shape. Columnar in shape. This is a columnar in shape. The epithelial cells. Where is found epithelial cells? They are epithelial cells. They are widespread throughout the body. புரியுதா கண்ணே? நம்ம பாடி ஃபுல்லாவே கவர் ஆயிருக்கிற செல் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ஸ்கின் செல்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். The epithelial cells are widespread throughout the body. நம்ம பாடி ஃபுல்லாவே என்ன ஆயிருக்கு? ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆயிருக்கு. That is called epithelial cells. Then second one, muscle cells. Muscle cells are, they are long and spindle shaped. They are long and spindle shaped. They are long and spindle shaped. They can, what is the function? What is the function of muscle cells? They can contract and relax, allowing for the movement. Allowing for movement. Do you understand now what is the function of muscle cells? Muscle cells உடைய function என்ன அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, they can contract and relax. அதாவது muscles நம்ம இப்படி கையை நீட்டி மடக்கறோம் இல்லையா? அப்ப muscles என்ன ஆகுது? contract ஆகும், relax ஆகும். புரியுதாப்பா? They can contract and relax, allowing the cell for movement. Then next one, nerve cells. Next one, nerve cells. This is a nerve cell. So where is present nerve cell? The nerve cells are branched with the elongated. It is a nerve cell. Where is present nerve cell? It is a million of nerve cells present in the brain. So what is the function of nerve cell? Nerve cell are specialized to carry and conduct message that coordinate the functions of the body. புரியுதாப்பா? நம்மளுடைய மெசேஜை நம்ம பிரெயினுக்கு கொண்டு போகிறது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நர்வ் செல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். புரியுதாப்பா? நர்வ் செல் வேர் இஸ் present அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, it is present in the brain. அதாவது billion or million of nerve cells is present in the brain. புரியுதாப்பா? இதனுடைய என்ன, what is the function of nerve cells அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, carry and conduct message that coordinate the functions of the body. Are you clear pa? Nerve cells. Then next one, blood cells. இப்போ blood cells பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்ன ஷேப்ல இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா round shape, அது biconcave. புரியுதாப்பா? round shapeல இருக்கும், biconcave and disc shape. இப்படி நமக்கு வந்து round shapeல இருக்கும், biconcaveல இருக்கும், biconcave shape, disc shape. புரியுதாப்பா? நம்ம blood cells பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there are three types of blood cells: RBC, WBC and platelets. What is the function of blood cells? In RBC carry oxygen and collect carbon dioxide from various parts of the body. Are you clear, ma? Blood cells, there are three types of blood cells: RBC, WBC and platelets. அந்த RBC உடைய ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன அப்படினு பார்த்தா carry oxygen and collect carbon dioxide from different parts of the body. Then WBC produce the antibody. Sometimes for the lot of microorganisms enter the human body. At that time the WBC cells produce antibodies. Are you clear? Next one, platelets வந்து நான் uses என்ன, what are the uses of platelets அப்படினா blood clotting அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Next one, fat cells. இப்போ fat cells what is the uses அப்படினு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, the fat cells specialized are specialized cells for storage of energy in the form of triglycerides. Triglycerides. In our body having adipose tissues. Adipose tissues where is found அப்படினு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா under the skin. நம்மளுடைய skin இருக்கு இல்லையா, இந்த skin உடைய கீழ் பகுதியில் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கும். Adipose tissue where is found adipose tissue under the skin between muscles within bone marrow. Are you clear pa? In adipose, what is the function of adipose tissues பார்த்தீங்கன்னா storage of fat அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். புரியுதாக்கண்ணே? How does fat get into cells? Are you clear pa? How does fat get into cells? Fat from food is break down into fatty acids with converted into blood and be captured by hungry cells. Do you understand? How does fat get into cells? Are you clear, ma? Various types of animal cells, skin cells, muscle cells, blood cells, nerve cells and fat cells. Skin cells எங்க நமக்கு present ஆயிருக்கு அப்படினு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, they cover the surface of the body for production. Muscle cells நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படினு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, they are long and spindle shaped. Then next one, blood cells ல RBC, WBC, platelets. The next one, nerve cells present in brain. Million of nerve cells present in brain அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Structural and functional unit of life. Next one, fat cells எங்க இருக்கு அப்படினு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, adipose tissue under the skin. Today homework, draw the picture of plant cell and animal cell and label the parts. Then next question, distinguish between the following pairs: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then cell wall and cell membrane. Then chloroplast and mitochondria. Only 2 questions today homework. Thank you pa. That's all. I will continue next class.